Okay, moving further with question 23 now. It is about transition. Okay, this is a new topic here now. Transition. Transition means when you look for transition words. What are transitional words or transition words? What is transition? Transition means shift. It means change from one state to the other. So when the author is saying something and he has to introduce something, either he wants to add something, so we'll use some transition words like in addition to. Okay, to add, what do? We write some word in addition to, or furthermore, or additionally, or moreover. So many are there. So you have to learn all these transition words. This is about when we add something. But when we are giving some conflicting idea, some opposing idea, some contrasting idea, we use transition words for contrast. What are those? However, but, in spite of, despite, and all these. So there are so many transition words that we must know to find our right answer option in such questions that are based on transition. So we have this question 23, which is from transition or transition words. Scientists cannot directly observe black holes with telescopes that detect X-rays, light, or other forms of electromagnetic radiation. We can, something has to come here. We can dash infer the presence of black holes and study them by detecting their effect on the other matter nearby. Okay, so when we say, just understand one sentence, one from here to here, then it starts from here. There are two sentences, okay? One is saying scientists cannot detect, observe, or find or study black holes with their telescopes, right? Now, we can, however, it is possible that we can do something, if not we are observing completely, but we can do some study to some extent and we can infer. Infer means to conclude. We can conclude, we can deduce. Deduce is also the right word. We can deduce something. The presence of black holes, we can know that the black holes are present and study them by detecting their effect on the matter nearby. So this is an opposite idea. That is why we are looking for a transition word. What transition word will come here? Moreover, are we adding something? Is the author saying something and adding something more to the same concept? No, he is giving a different and opposing concept here. So this will not come. We are not adding anything. Therefore, it comes when we give some cause and then we give some result of something. Cause and effect. Cause and result of something. So no cause is given, so this will not fit here. Still is given when again we are adding one concept, one point, and we are giving more evidence to that after adding still. No. However means but. See here what will come. We can, however, we can, but. So however means but only. So this is what our contrasting word. This is word of contrast. And this is only the contrasting statement. This statement 2 is contrasting. That is why we will pick the contrasting word, which is, however, a transition word. Answer correct is D. Looking at the question text, this is talking about expression of ideas and transition. This is our main point. Others are same. Level was medium, talking about black holes.